Afternoon. The bike check with me, Ollie Moore. My bike. What I like about it and what I'd recommend. Alright, so for the front wheel we've got a United Supreme wheel set. Got that from Source BMX. Stoked on how it looks because it used to have a green front wheel. We've got the Colt D-Hart gum tyres. I know it's backwards. I'm going to change that. We've got some Salt Pro Edition pegs on both sides on the front. We've got Kink Strife forks. Really nice. I'm really glad on how they've been holding up. Right, stem, we've got a felt bike stem. No idea what it is. I got it off one of my mates. Total BMX bars. Pretty large. I like them big because I'm a tall person. Got United Bike Co grips. They're someone's signature. I don't know. I got them for free with my order. Some top cap. No one really cares about top cap. Yeah, I can't be bothered to work out what it is. Got some spacers. Well, I just nicked some space off my brother's bike because he never rides it anymore. Fit ARF frame, 20.5 top tube because I'm pretty tall. We got a Salt seat post, only like that big because I like my seat pretty low. Pivotal seat, original seat that came with the bike. Pedals, original pedals, PC flats, and green obviously. We've got the treble cranks, got them because they were on offer and because they run left-hand drive because I'm right foot forward. No idea what sprocket this is, think it might be a Salt sprocket. Pretty nice. Got it for £3 off a mate. We got a half-link chain here. Got it from local indoor skate park. It's on upside down and backwards at the moment apparently.
That's fine.
Alright, back wheel. We've got a Colt D-Hart tyre in gum. It's slick. It's wearing thin, so I need to get a new one pretty soon. That's the problem with gum tyres. We've got a exposure rim laced to a Colt Match hub. No idea what the spokes are. Doesn't really matter. They're spokes. Short nipples, I think. The Colt Match hub's blue, obviously. We've got on the right hand side, we've got another peg. No idea. Got it for free off a mate. That's pretty much it, I think.
This is my bike. It's £60 on eBay.
Sorted.